Hello friends, hope all of you are doing great. I am Mamta Nagrat. I make videos on various subject topics of interest for international students, basically taught in English, and this subject course is for the master's program. So let us begin the video. In my video, I will be giving you the details about the course, the structure of the course, the requirement of the course, and in brief, the details about the university. So let us begin the video. The name of the course is Money and Finance Master of Science from Goethe University, Frankfurt. Master of Science in Money and Finance is English taught program and all the modules are taught in English. This program, master's program, is of 4 semester and it begins in Germany in the winter semester. The Faculty of Economics and Business Administration offers an orientation event Master's Welcome Day prior to the start of the lectures. The application deadline is 15th June of every year when the winter semester starts. The content of the course, why you should do this course, is the Master's Program in Money and Finance, MMF, is an innovative joint venture of the Department of Money and Macroeconomics and the Department of Finance, both located in the new House of Finance on campus West End. The program offers promising students from all over the world an intellectually stimulating and challenging setting in which to prepare for their professional careers in central banking, commercial banking, insurance, and other financial services. By being located in Frankfurt, one of the world's leading financial centers and the only city in the world with 2 central banks, the ECB and the German Bundesbank, it offers unique opportunity for interaction with practitioners. It has been designed with the vision of establishing itself both as a leading master's program integrating studies in monetary economics, macroeconomics, and finance, and as a major gateway to high-profile jobs in the banking and financial sectors. This program is a very good program as far as the job opportunities are concerned in international market. The program is structured as follows. 5 fundamental modules obligatory provide the basic tool for advanced courses and thesis work. 7 elective modules provide advanced specialized knowledge of various areas. Students choose their elective according to their future career plans. 2 supplementary modules that apply academic theories to real world problems are typically taught by practitioners. 2 seminars, 1 thesis, and the master thesis is a large research project. By writing their thesis, students can demonstrate their ability to deal independently with a complex problems. The types of assessments will be written exams, presentations, seminar, master's thesis, written assignments, and oral exams. There is no obligatory stay abroad, but voluntary stay are highly recommended. The internship element. Voluntary internships abroad, exchange semester at one of our partner universities. A special feature is the membership of our faculty in the international QTEM network. QTEM, that is Quantitative Techniques for Economics and Management, offers students of the program the opportunity to spend up to 2 semesters at our QTEM partner universities. Students can obtain the international QTEM certificate in addition to their degree at Goethe University. As far as the cost and funding is cost of the program and the funding opportunities are concerned, the tuition fee per semester in euro is none. So that means this course is totally free of cost. And the semester contribution, Goethe University charges an administrative fee of approximately 370 euro per semester. This includes a ticket for public transport and free entrance to public museums. The magic ticket entitles you to use buses, trams and the underground in Frankfurt and the surrounding area. You can even use the regional trains to travel to various other cities, for example, Marburg, Gießen or Mainz. The cost of living in Frankfurt depends on personal requirements and lifestyles. However, students should expect minimum expense of euro 940. This calculation is based on the following items: 800 euro for rent, food, clothing and study material, around 81 euro for compulsory health insurance, that is almost comprehensive, and approximately 60 euro for semester contribution including free public transport. When it comes to the requirement and registration, the most important part of this video is the requirement and registration, that how you can get admission to this course. The MMF applicant should hold or expect to hold by the time of enrollment a bachelor's degree or equivalent in the areas of economics, finance or related field. At the time of application, all applicants need to have a valid GRE or GMAT test report. Furthermore, a letter of motivation is required. To receive up-to-date information about admission requirements, please visit their university website. The link of the university website I will be giving in my description box. Evidence of English language proficiency for students whose native language is not English and who do not have a university degree from an institution with English as the main language of instruction. They are supposed to give the TOEFL or IELTS exam. They should score in IELTS exam overall band score of 7. For TOEFL, you can refer to the link which I will be providing in my description box. The application deadline, as I said, is 15th June of each year. If you want to take admission in the winter semester, then you have to apply in the same year by 15th June. You have to apply through UniAssist application portal. The link of the same I will also provide in the description box. And in addition to registering in the UniAssist and applying through UniAssist, you also have to send your documents to the university. The contact details will also be provided in my description box. Apart from this, the services which university provides to the international students is possibility of finding part-time employment. In Frankfurt, 44,000 companies and organizations have approximately 450,000 employees on their payrolls. This I am telling you about the city of Frankfurt, where this Goethe University is located. In addition, Frankfurt is the financial center of Germany with 350 banks, including the European Central Bank, 150 foreign banks, and the fourth largest stock exchange in the world. The Frankfurt is the most populated area in the city of Germany. The accommodations are available in the university. Once you get the admit letter, the students are advised that they should contact the student accommodation services, that is student work. The link of the same will also be provided to you in the description box. The 19 dormitories offer more than 1700 different accommodation units, starting from 203 euro per month for a single room to up to 450 euro for a family apartment of 45 square meter. So it is strongly recommended that students should apply well in advance because the demand is more and supply is less. So the link of the work frankfurt.de will also be provided, from where you can book your accommodation. Apart from this, the some facts and figure about the university are: the faculty is considered to be one of the most attractive economics and business administration faculties in Germany. This view is shared not only by the more than 5,500 students enrolled, but also by the numerous national and international companies that regularly recruit their graduates. It was here that Ludwig Erhard wrote his doctorate, and there are several Nobel laureates which have emerged from this Goethe University of Frankfurt. So guys, if I consider this course, this is one of the very good course for the students who are completing either their bachelor's degree in economics or finance or related subject areas. Even if you have not completed your degree, they expect you that when you apply for this particular course, in the due course before your admission, you should be able to complete your degree. You are supposed to have a GMAT or a GRE results with you. You are also have to write the letter of motivation, and in addition to this, you have to upload your bachelor's and your school's certificates and transcripts. So guys, this course will give you the knowledge of economics, microeconomics and finance, and how will you deal with the subjects like economics and finance in the day-to-day life in the banking sector. This will provide you a very good insight when you want to work in the international banking environment. So in case you have any question about this subject course, you are most welcome to put your question in the comment box, and I would be happy to answer you by researching on the d.de website or on the university website. And if you like my video, do subscribe and like this video. You are also welcome to give your feedback to have an improvement on this particular subject course. Thank you so much for listening to me so patiently and giving your valuable time. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much.